know you belong to me. You could bring your whole squad plus 3.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Imani Marie here. And as y'all can tell by the title, I'm back with another wig review, which I know y'all love. And like I promised last video, I won't flake on y'all no more. Like, I'm gonna try to keep it as consistent as possible with these wig reviews and these updates and whatever else y'all want to see. Y'all tell me what y'all want to see in the comments, and I'm gonna try to get that done for y'all. For those that's wondering what hair is in my head right now, this is the hair that I reviewed in November for my birthday from Reborn Hair. So from November 25th to December 25th, a month, this is how the hair is holding up. Edges is looking like hella crunchy right now, and that's because I've been having this wig on for like 3 weeks straight because I have not been feeling like taking it off. But I will take it off and wash it and brush it up probably tomorrow, because I got time tomorrow. So yeah, the wig just ain't came off yet, but that's why it's looking so crunchy or whatever. But other than that, this is how the wig is holding up. And all I've been doing when like my edges get old is just take some alcohol and a towel, and I go across my edges and lift it up to enough where it's not too much and I see my my cap, and then I'll just apply new glue and foundation or whatever just to make it stick and look decent, because I know it looks crunchy. This is how the hair is holding up. A month later. Now, I like it. It's cool. I like it. I feel like I got my cap a little too big, so make sure y'all know y'all cap sizes, because I do have a lot of space back here, so I have to sew it down, because even the elastic straps in the back and the combs is not working. This is the thumbnail for that hair review if you would like to go back and watch it and see how it came and all that good. This hair is curly. I feel like it's curly throughout the wig, but I don't feel like it's curly the whole wig. Like some stuff looks like deep wave, and then some stuff look like curls, but that's like a curl, but then other stuff kind of look like a deep wave. But I really don't care, because it's giving what it's supposed to give. On to this new wig review. So today I am coming to you all with a sponsored video by UNice Hair. They were gracious enough to send me a wig for, well, not for New Year's, but right around New Year's. So y'all know what I'm about to pop out and do. You can tell by the thumbnail and the title, it is not your average Joe wig. It is their highlighted wig. So let's get right into it. So the wig came UPS, and it came really fast. Send me an email asking me to do a review for their hair, like on a Monday or a Tuesday, probably even a Wednesday. And then the hair came yesterday. So it came really freaking fast. UPS, really fast. And they sent it in this really cute Merry Christmas box. Inside I got this, which is a Christmas stocking that I definitely will be putting up for next year to use. Don't judge me. And then they've sent me a little goodie bag, and let's see what's in that. They hooked the sister up. Inside the goodie bag I have, of course, your handy dandy notebook, your wig caps, and then you have a pair of lashes. Oh, these is cute. My mama not getting these. These is fire. Them is cute. And then they sent me a, I would say by the size and stuff, the skinny scarves. It's not a bonnet, it's a scarf. Then they sent me these, and these is the good clips. Them is the good clips. Thanks, UNice. And of course, the wig. The wig they sent me is I want to say the wig they sent me is a 24-inch. And then, of course, it's the highlighted straight wig. It's a frontal wig, 13 by 4. I'll put all the details below and, like, the exact link to the wig. Because I honestly just told them, like, I wanted something different. And I didn't want nothing short. Here is that wig, y'all. I'm so ready to find out. Never done nothing like this. Like, I just do solid colors, like all red or all pink or all blind or all black. Like, I don't never. This is gonna be fire on me, I can tell. This is a 150 density, and if it is, or if it's like 130, pretty freaking thick. It does not have a smell at all. The ends, they're not bad at all. I was kind of scared because I thought the highlighted parts was gonna be like hecka brassy, but they're not. Like, they actually highlighted it and then toned it a little bit, because it's not brassy at all, and it's giving me like a really nice, rich, Milky Way Twix kind of feel. It's really freaking soft. Like, it's really soft, and as I'm pulling on it, you would think that it would shed a lot because of all the lifting they had to do to get this color, but I've only gotten 2 strands. I feel it is lace. It's really thin and cool. That's the inside. Your standard inside of the wig look. 3 combs, those elastic straps, and a tab in the back. The knots, of course, are bleached because the hair had to have been bleached. So I'm not going to try to go and bleach it no more. That'd be beyond dumb of me. I am going to go in, however, and pluck the hairline a little bit more. Baby hair is left out, but it looks pretty plucked. But I just want to go in a little bit more and kind of... This guy, I'm ready. Let's see how this baby gonna look a little bit. Okay, let's see how this is gonna look. I'm irritating, so what? I'm excited. Oh, what? Oh, y'all. Tell me I don't look like a Milky Way. Like I do in all my other hair review videos, I will be installing this wig on this video so y'all can see how I look and styling it and all that good stuff. Also gave me a discount code for you all because I know that my video is sponsored, but y'all will be spending your own coin. I'm about to go put this wig on and I'll be right back. Who's sun busting too much? So I decided to do the rest of this review outside because the natural sun is busting, and I feel like y'all would appreciate this more to see like how it really looks. Now this is days later. I was supposed to come to y'all and show y'all how it looked right after I installed it, but I wasn't putting it on till New Year's, and I actually worked New Year's Eve, so I got off and got dressed. So this is how the hair looks. This the lace and all that, which it melted, so yeah, perfect. That's how my highlights came. I didn't do anything to this wig. I literally slapped this wig on when I got off work. As far as the hair overall, this hair is bomb. Like, it really is. I got minimum to none when it comes with the shedding, and I definitely expected shedding because of all the lifting they had to do with it. Let me show y'all the back. These are the ends. They didn't come split or anything. The only thing that gets on my nerves about this hair is all the flyaways, but it's like you can handle that with with Moouse and stuff. My temper's so bad, I literally just be pulling them because they get on my nerves. And once the Moouse dry up, you back dealing with flyaways. And then because the hair is so close to my skin color, I can't make out what's what until it's in my face or my mouth and it's stuck to my lip gloss and it gets on my nerves. Yeah, so y'all can see how it's all dolled up and stuff for New Year's. I insert pictures and stuff somewhere up over here. Like, it's really freaking cute on me. Like, I really like it. The hair is really buttery. The lace is dang near transparent or HD. The wig details will be in the description box because I really don't remember exactly the details that when it comes to which wig they decided to send to me. No tangling. And I'm really big on tying my hair down, but for some reason, I don't know if it's because the hair is so slippery or something and my silk scarf just ain't working with it, but my scarf keep falling off and I'm like, fuck it at this point. So yeah, I ain't been tying my hair down since I had this on, and this is how it's still looking real good. If I forget anything that y'all want to ask me, just ask me in the comments below, but I'm trying not to forget anything. I have not put no products in this hair at all. I literally just ran a flat iron through it and redid my baby hairs for y'all. I definitely would love to work with this company again. They definitely have good quality hair, because this hair is like literally perfect. Like, I'm not even trying to, this hair is perfect. Like, I love this hair. I think y'all should buy this wig. Like, I really do. If y'all like color, y'all like how this color looks on me, I really think y'all should buy this wig. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, because I do have a couple of other companies that would like to work with me. So I'll be having another video coming up real soon. Don't forget, my name is Imani Marie, and I will see you dolls later. Bye.
You know you belong to me. You could bring your whole squad +3.